You've been lied to about Jesus Christ, and most people don't even realize it. They say he's just a good teacher, a prophet, or one of many ways to God. But Jesus himself said in John 14:6, "I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me." They say you need to fix your life first before coming to God, but Romans 5:8 says, "While we were still sinners, Christ died for us." He didn't wait for perfection, he came for the broken. They say Christianity is just religion, rules, and rituals, but Jesus came for something deeper, relationship. And the hardest truth of all is this: you are not promised tomorrow. 2 Corinthians 6:2 says, "Now is the day of salvation." Jesus is not just an option among many. He is the way, the truth, and the life. Don't believe the lies. Come to him today. Lord Jesus, I choose you.